so sorry that I woke you. I thought it best to leave this way. It was not what I intended, I swear it. When I came, I meant to stay. Blame it on a guilty conscience that I never knew I had. But I only thought about her without me, and it made me feel so bad. So I'll close the door behind me, and I'll go away. She's my woman, I can't help it, I love her, and I just can't stay. So I'll close the door behind me. I'll be going on. When she comes around to see me, to hold me, she will find me waiting there, and she won't be alone. I can only say I'm sorry, but I hope that you can see she would always be there coming between us, and I never would be free. So I